Hi everyone, Ranger Stu here from Cedars Nature Centre, and as you may know, Cedars Nature Centre is still currently closed, I'm afraid, but we are going to be putting on this QR code trail, and this QR code trail is loosely based around creatures that you may find at Halloween, but it's going to take you around Cedars Park. It's going to tell you about the animals here at the zoo, and it's also going to tell you about some of the animals that live within the park itself. So hopefully you have fun, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it and learn a lot about animals along the way. So the first animals on our Halloween trail are our barn owls. And here we have Misty. She's over there and she's been a bit feisty today. And then we also have Archimedes. And Archimedes is our youngest owl. He's only 3 years old, whereas Misty is 19. And the average age for a barn owl in the wild is actually only 4 years old. So most barn owls don't make it past their 4th birthday, which is pretty sad, hey? But she's doing quite well at 19, that's for sure. And she still lays eggs, but unfortunately those eggs are infertile now, unfortunately. But they're not our only owls that we have at Cedars Nature Centre. We also have 2 other owls, and those are Aleko and Zambezi, and they are northern white-faced owls. And if you ever come to our zoo, you'll see they're quite small, got these bright orange eyes, and you can actually tell the difference between an owl coming out in the daytime or the nighttime by the colour of their eyes. So if an owl has orange or yellow eyes, then it usually comes out in the daytime or at dawn and dusk. And we call that diurnal or crepuscular. Whereas if you look at a barn owl's eyes, barn owls have brown eyes, and if an owl has black or brown eyes, then it comes out at night time, and so we call that nocturnal. So why have we brought these owls on our Halloween trail? Well, that is because, unfortunately, a lot of people think of owls as harbingers of death, or maybe witches' familiars, or even the other name for a barn owl is the ghost owl. And that is because sometimes when people are walking or driving down a country lane at night time, a barn owl will swoop down in front of them, they'll catch that sort of owl in their headlights, I guess, and they'll appear bright white, a bit like a ghost. But there's nothing really spooky about our owls here at Cedars Nature Centre. In the wild, owls are great animals taking care of the ecosystem, and they eat literally hundreds of rodents a year and insectivores every year, so rats, mice, shrews, that sort of stuff really. And here in Cedars Park itself, we're very lucky to know that we have 2 species of owl at least. We have wild barn owls, and I'll show you a video of a wild barn owl in a minute that we caught on our CCTV the other year. And then we also have tawny owls, and we know that we have tawny owls because tawny owls make a certain noise that only tawny owls make. Now when you think of an owl noise, you think of it going to-wit, to-woo, okay? But actually, that's only one type of owl, the tawny owl. And the males go, or sorry, the females actually go, go-wick, go-wick, and that is kind of like the to-wit, twit, and the males go, woo-woo, and that's the woo, so the to-wit, to-woo. And so not only do we know that we have tawny owls in the park, but we can also tell that we have male and female tawny owls in the park. Now if you are on this QR code trail today, guys, and it gets a bit dark and a bit late, then keep your ear out, because it's around this time of year when you're going to be hearing owls. And keep a listen out for tawny owls in the park itself, and if you're very lucky, you may even hear the noise of a barn owl, and barn owls make a screeching noise. So there's a little bit about our owls at the zoo and the owls in the park itself. And I'm going to end this by showing you a video of a barn owl, a wild one, that we caught on our CCTV camera a few years ago. So enjoy.